Chennai Metco is the leader in India in metallography, laboratory preparation and metal cutting and polishing solutions. We give many specialized cutters and high precision cutters, abrasive cutters and diamond cutters to the industry, and we are doing well, and we are also exporting. There is a good exports to USA, Europe and other parts of the world. We are concentrating on automotive sector. Naturally, the number one priority for us is automotive sector, followed by aerospace and defense manufacturing and general engineering, metal manufacturing. These are all the sectors that we are focusing on. We have at least about 4 verticals. Totally we should have about 60-70 products in our basket.